Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do on this channel is all about looking for a discounted item, promotional item, sales item, stuff like that. And on and off, I'll do like a product review, and sometimes I do maintenance of my car. But most of the time we're just going to be looking for sales items. However, in this video I'll want to bring it to your attention about T-Mobile. It's a service provider for cell phone. And for those of you who doesn't know T-Mobile, they took over Sprint. In the US, we used to have like 4 service providers: Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, and T-Mobile. However, T-Mobile bought out Sprint, so now they only have the 3 major ones. And I believe right now T-Mobile is taking over #1 spot, even over Verizon. They're so competitive that they actually come out with what's it called, network pass. And this is what we're going to be talking about in this video. For those of you who are on the edge, on the verge, if you're with AT&T or with Verizon or with any other companies out there that you're paying like a high amount of money every month, and you're wondering if you can just try out like T-Mobile's network and see how it is before you even make the commitment, well, here's the chance. We're gonna go through some of this together, so that way we're gonna be clear about this. So basically what this is you would have to have like the latest phone, the phone that has eSIM, and currently they only have it for the iOS. So eventually they're gonna roll this out to Android phones as well. So basically you try out network free for 3 months, all while keeping your phone and your carrier. So basically you're gonna be using T-Mobile data just to test it out. And remember, this is a trial version, and it does come with unlimited data. And here it tells you keep your number in your phone and your current provider, and it does you do have access to their 5G network if your phone is a 5G compatible. And we go down here, so let's say that if you don't have if your phone is not doesn't support eSIM, or doesn't have eSIM, or eSIM is not activated, they can send you like a hotspot, and that way you can try it out as well. So which is really neat. So T-Mobile has been thinking this out like really great. So let's go down. These are some of the questions that you might want to ask. Okay, so what is a T-Mobile Network Pass? So here's T-Mobile Network Pass allows you to try T-Mobile networks for up to 3 months for free while keeping your existing service with your current provider or carrier. All you need is an unlocked, eligible eSIM capable phone, and you can download the T-Mobile app from the Apple App Store. Then experience unlimited high-speed data on the T-Mobile network, all with your own phone number and your phone and your numbers and your apps. T-Mobile Network Pass experience is coming soon for Android. So for those of you who has Androids, it's coming. And the next one is, what's the catch? Or how much does it cost? There's no cost to you and no catch. Just download the T-Mobile app and complete the setup on your phone, and you can try the T-Mobile network for free for up to 3 months. Okay, excellent. So who is eligible for Network Pass? Non-T-Mobile customers that have not previously participated in Network Pass and meet the following criteria. 1. Have an eligible unlocked phone with available eSIM to be located in the US. A list of eligible phones can be found here if we click on this link here. We're a T-Mobile customer or a customer using the T-Mobile network within the past 90 days. Aren't current Metro by T-Mobile and Sprint customers, or customers of T-Mobile partners using T-Mobile network. Are there any data limits will I be charged? No. Network Pass is a worry-free and cost-free way to try the T-Mobile network. The credit card information is needed to get started, and once you hit 3 months of use, it will automatically end. Awesome. How does T-Mobile Network Pass let me try the network? T-Mobile Network Pass allows you to try the T-Mobile network on your own phone by activating T-Mobile as a secondary provider on your phone using eSIM technology. Your T-Mobile Network Pass plan is active for up to 3 months and includes unlimited high-speed data, including 5G if you have a compatible phone. You experience the award-winning T-Mobile network while keeping your current plan and phone number with your primary cellular provider. You will never miss a call or a text. Both plans will appear in your cell phone cellular setting, and you will see 2 network signal bars on your phone, one for T-Mobile and one for the current provider. So I want to talk more about this one. So I have, I think in January I updated or upgraded my phone. I'm a Sprint customers, and I have switched my SIM card to T-Mobile, and I have upgraded the phone to the iPhone 13. And on the iPhone 13, when I went to the T-Mobile store, they did not provide me with the SIM card. They activated with the eSIM. Okay, so I think that's where they're going with this. Also, let's see. Will I get 5G access with T-Mobile Network Pass? 5G access is available to any phone that has 5G capabilities. So make sure your 5G phone is operating on the latest operating system to access T-Mobile 5G's network. Can my business use T-Mobile Network Pass? Yes, anyone can try Network Pass, including businesses, but you must sign up using your personal information, and we require you to identify as a business customer. I'm experiencing connections issue with T-Mobile Network Pass. What do I do? Please refer to the T-Mobile Network Pass support page for answers to any of your issue experience. So you know what, T-Mobile is really good. It's great. You know, for those of you who want to try them out, you know, before changing, they can make commitment, get a new phone numbers, and you get the new phones, you know, or you get free phones. This is a great way of trying out another providers, and that way you're not afraid of losing anything or canceling anything at all. I'll leave the link in the description, so if you guys want to check it out. Other than that, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you guys like the video, please give a like. If you like savings, technology, stuff like that, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notifications. Other than that, take care and thank you for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.